name is Melody. I'm living here in Scotland, United Kingdom. I am a nurse and a midwife by profession.
Hi guys, it's Ferdy Bautista here.
Hi, I am Jean.
Hi, my name is Janice from Edinburgh, Scotland. I work in health and social care.
This is Nora. I am a UK registered nurse.
Si Anna Haas, nakatira ngayon sa Louisiana, USA.
Hi, my name is Vicky.
I'm Sangeeta, a mother of twins and an ICU nurse for 17 years.
My name is Janelyn. I've been living here in the UK for...
My name is Renee Crony from Scotland, United Kingdom.
Ako si Mary Ann.
Ako si Andeline, nakatira dito sa UK, nagtatrabaho bilang kasambahay. Ako ay isang ina na maraming pangarap.
And my name is Jennifer Antonio from Texas, USA.
My name is Judith, a mom, a wife, a child of God, and working as a healthcare assistant.
My name is Annabelle de la Cruz, a mother, a wife, a dental nurse, and I am a child of God.
I jumped into this online digital business 3 years ago because I wanted to have freedom, time freedom, and financial stability. I want to be able to travel the world without worrying about funds and expenses, and I want to help my family and to secure the future of my daughter. And so far, guys, this business has been blessing me for 3 years now.
The reason I joined this business is because I would like to have a time freedom and to travel without any financial worries.
I've started this business, I don't know, the camera 3 years ago because I want to spend more time with my son.
The reason I'm doing this online business is because I want more financial independence and I want to achieve more time freedom for myself and my family.
I'm not getting any younger and I don't want to spend the rest of my life tied to a 9-to-5 job. I want more freedom to retire early, to travel, and to create a better future for my family. That's why I started my online business. Because time is precious and I'd rather spend it living life on my own terms. If you ever felt the same, maybe it's time to take that step too.
I joined this business is because I wanted to retire early. Of course, that's earlier than the retirement age. And in order for me to enjoy life fully alongside with my family without financial concerns.
Sa hirap ng buhay, sumali ako sa business. Kagaya nyo rin ako. Gustong magkaroon ng sapat na oras sa sarili, pamilya, at panggasto sa araw-araw.
I joined this group because, I want to have an extra income.
Para lalong mapaganda at mapaunlad ang buhay ng aking buong pamilya.
I joined this business to create a better future for myself and my family.
The main reason I've joined the business is I want to spend time with my growing children where I don't want to miss a milestone and also make money while staying at home.
I jump into this business. First, my children. Second, I want to retire early. Third, I want to build a financial freedom so that I can be able to help my family back home in my church ministry. As we all know, living in paycheck is not enough. So I'm glad that I took a leap to start my own business.
I joined with this online business because the Lord Jesus Christ directed me to, and I was inspired by those people on this business with their testimonials and told to myself, if they can do it, I can do it as well.
Business is really legit and it's worth it. Give it a chance and don't lose even minute.
Check this business.
Check it out!
Check it now!
Check this out.
Check this incredible business opportunity and start your journey.
Subukan ang negosyong ito.
Check it out! See you on the inside!
I'll see you in the inside.
I'll see you on the inside!
See you on the inside.
See you inside.
I hope to see you inside, guys.
So, join us!